चलो। Hello. So for breakfast we have come for First Watch, and it is very famous for breakfast, and if you are visiting Orlando you should visit First Watch. Cheers. So this is the complimentary coffee, free है जितना भी पी सकते हो, and we have gotten the waffle, Belgium waffle खाने के लिए, and omelets, potatoes, it's like a fresh loads of everything. So यहाँ पे omelets है, omelets, potatoes, bread and ketchups and sauces, और this is the Belgium waffle with whipped cream and berries, and I'm getting these sides of fresh fruits. So yeah, this is our breakfast for day 2. Your first taste. Yes.
Better than pancake.
Yep.
It's better than pancake.
Because it's light. We have been here. It's day 2.
Yes.
Shanu, how are you feeling?
Adjusting my mask on my chashma.
You look good. Woohoo! Universal. Wow. Jurassic Park. Then you have to get off. यहाँ से. Once you get off, you have to clear the security section. तो यहाँ से हमें वहाँ जाना है. Checking होगा. Security checking के बाद you have to come here. और वापस से आपका security checking होगा. Security checking के बाद City Walk जाना है. City Walk से there are 2 park divisions. So हम लोग यहाँ जाना है.
Everyone is required to wear a face covering during their visit. You must practice social distancing.
Security check. Amazing लग रहा है bro. Oh my god.
Remember to wash your hands with soap and water often for at least 20 seconds.
This is the security check that you have to clear. Security check-in के बाद
Security checking के बाद अभी हम जाते हैं. And then you get a good view of the Universal Studios kindly.
yes, you have to walk a lot, but then you select city walk है, not select city walk, city walk. You have to walk और उसके अंदर जाके वहाँ पे आपको choose करना है which park to go.
It's gonna be worth it.
Day 2.
Day 2.
अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं मम्मी राइड पे जाएंगे, which is in Universal Studio, right? Universal Studio, it is, I think, the ride, not roller coaster, but the ride.
Just show them the view. It's amazing.
I am loving it. Just loving it.
I tell you, you love the ride here. It's the best.
It's already like disco vibe, music, view all around, perfect. वहाँ से चल के आओगे, so you will have 2 options. On the left side, it's Adventure Island. On the right side, it's Universal Studios. We are going to Universal Studios because we have to go to Mummy, Jimmy Fallon again. See you, bye. Bro, Ghumo with this mask is a task.
It is a task.
Ooh, mask with a task. Wow.
Yaar, I'm so happy. This is like a dream come true.
Mask on. Jimmy Fallon again. Channel. Oh, already.
Welcome to Universal Orlando. In addition,
After Jimmy Fallon, we are going to Transformer.
Woo!
Yes, it is also 3D 4D movie view sort of.
It's a 3D 4D.
3D 4D one. Transformer baby. There it is. Transformers. Let's do it. कोई राइड नहीं छोड़ेंगे, सब करेंगे.
Listen up, recruits. I'm out of body evac, part of Optimus Optimus Prime's next detail. I'm a stealth transport bot assigned to evacuate human troops from harm's way. But I'm also on reserve to help get the Allspark out of the city and the vault.
Two. And guess where we are going? We are going to Harry Potter.
Harry Potter.
Because what's the day without Harry Potter? So we are going Harry Potter again.
Which ride? Tell them that. Oh, we're gonna show you soon.
Yep, we are going to Harry Potter in Universal Studios because it has Diagon Alley. And if you're a fan of Harry Potter, you know what Diagon Alley means.
You know.
If you know, you know. So we are going to Harry Potter.
Yeah.
Harry Potter. Escape room.
Escape room is mad.
Harry Potter is a vibe, guys. Vibe. I can do it like 1,000 times.
This is our second time doing it.
And dramatic acceleration, climbing, stopping and diving. Even some in the magical community find the ride a bit challenging.
I can do it number of times. Number of times.
It's basically a 3D, 4D show. And it actually feels like सामने सामने हो रहा है. It's amazing.
You guys come all the way right here to the blue circle.
तुमको कुछ पसंद आ रहा है?
The Dumbledore वाला wand is nice.
Is the medieval one, is that like the Malfoy?
Yeah, the fuzzy one.
Hi everyone. We are at the Mummy.
बहुत गर्मी है भाई, यहाँ पे बाल खोल के मेकअप का कोई फायदा नहीं है सर.
Seriously, you should get a virtual line pass first. क्योंकि यहाँ पे normal line बहुत जल्दी बंद होता है, so express और virtual line ही चलता है सिर्फ. But it's worth it.
So virtual lines are basically.
You got this?
Oh my god. Yes. ठीक है, I'm dying.
Gryffindor.
And also I've got the muffler for Gryffindor.
I've heard that Mummy is one of the best show here. You guys must do it.
Seriously?
But ये बहुत कम खुलता है और आपको virtual line या express normal line से entry बहुत rare है. So get virtual line first, guys.
And we are finally here 2 दिन के बाद. This is our second day. पहले दिन हमें नहीं मिला. Second day में finally we were lucky enough. So
Yep. कल हमने बहुत बार चेक किया इसको बट ये सब बंद था और आज भी फर्स्ट टाइम बंद था बट देन वी गॉट लकी वर्चुअल लाइन मिल गया एंड वी आर हियर.
बड़ी शिद्दतों के बाद.
सो दिस इज द आइलैंड ऑफ एडवेंचर. हमने अभी बस ख़त्म किया यूनिवर्सल स्टूडियो और हम आइलैंड ऑफ एडवेंचर में घुसते हैं एंड इट लुक्स लाइक आइलैंड ऑफ. हर जगह पेड़ ही पेड़ है. पाइनएप्पल बैंक पेड़ and beautiful architecture. Wow. Adventure lives on an adventure of island. We are here at water park.
Yeah.
Popeyes water park. Water parks are the best in sunny days. Amazing. We are all wet.
I am like wet.
Look at your mascara. पूरे गीले हो गए, पूरे गीले. This is what? It is fun and it is what? सब गीले होंगे इस राइड पे, सब गीले होंगे. Wow.
We have also implemented attraction-specific procedures.
Either way, enjoy the match.
It's like actually castle. जहाँ पर वो अपने उसमें जाते हैं stairs पे with all the paintings, singing painting, lady singing lady.
Potter.
और जिससे वो password unlock
Express
होता था.
would even make a substitute
अंदर
for the Slytherin team.
You're mad, Salazar. Just watch. I'm major young in this story.
Only as part of it. And remember, inevitably there comes a moment, a choice to be made. When in doubt, follow the in my experience, rarely lead wrong. Now, please proceed to defense against the dark arts classes.
Dark arts classes. Bye bye Orlando. See you soon.
So this was it, guys. I hope you enjoy our vlogs and the journey. We are going to on more trips and will take you along us too. Until then, take care, wear mask and see you soon. Bye.